Hi guys, again. This is my second time filming this. Okay, now I feel like I'm gonna be boring. I told myself I wasn't gonna be one of those cliche YouTubers who was always like, this is my second time filming, the mic was off the first, but it really, that's the truth. I don't know what else to say, but I was funny the first time. Today is gonna just be showing you what my room looks like. Over on Instagram, I kind of showed you that I did a room makeover, but I never showed you the full finished product, and that's what I'm gonna be showing today. I'm so excited to start YouTube. I wanna say that I would do it twice a week, but I know myself, so I'm just gonna say once a week. If that goes well, then we might bump it up to 2. Might get crazy. I would love it if you would like and subscribe if you like this video, if you're coming from my Instagram. I have one of my friends, Shalia Rose, who has a YouTube. I'll link it below. She's helping me with videography today because
he's a newbie.
A dumb bitch and I don't know how to use a camera.
Subscribe to my channel.
Yes, seriously, go subscribe. I'll link it down below. Let's get to it. I'm gonna show you my room. Love you. When you first walk into my room, this is the door to enter. To the left, I have a little bathroom, which we'll show you guys later, but this is just what you see when you walk in. It's pretty cute. I did an amethyst theme just to keep it all unified and together. The first thing you see when you walk into my room is my nightstand. I got most of my furniture from Z Gallerie, including this nightstand and lamp. I have these eternal flowers that last a year. They're so pretty. They're definitely like a statement piece. I love taking pictures on top of them with my nails. You guys have probably seen more than enough of those on my Instagram. This is my essential oil diffuser. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm actually more than obsessed with this. I love putting the lavender oil in. It just makes the whole room smell so peaceful. Okay, and under here I have all of my candles from Bath & Body Works, as well as the Smellies on Instagram and a few Yankee candles. And then I have this little weighted headband. It's actually an eye mask, but I use it as a headband because it just feels so peaceful at night when I'm just laying in bed. This is what I look like at 3 a.m. when I'm going to bed, knowing that I have to be up in 3 hours for school. We're moving on to my bedding. I am obsessed with my bed. It is so soft and just comfortable. I got all this bedding actually from Z Gallerie, except for this pillow. It was from Ulta Beauty. I got it for free because I purchased Ariana Grande's Cloud perfume. I went with an amethyst velvet kind of theme. It's a little wrinkled right now, but yeah. Also, the headboard is from Z Gallerie. It's just a nice gray suede. Okay, moving on from my bed to my closet. Fun story time. I actually only have one closet door because one night I was having a panic attack and I ran into my closet door and it fell on my face and shattered. It was really fun. I just have all my clothes in here. Here's the silk robe that Huda Beauty sent me, and just, yeah, all my sweatshirts that I wear. Moving on to this, I don't know, chest thing. I have my TV with an extra fireplace, and then I have a succulent that BoxyCharm sent to me. Pretty sweet. As well as just like a candle, and then my jewelry rack. Also, all of my furniture is mirrored. I love this because then when I sit on my bed, I can like take really cute dramatic selfies. Super fun and fresh. Next, I just have these sheer curtains. I feel like I'm in vogue right now. Nice little greenery. That's pretty much the most boring part of my room. The most exciting part of my room, in my opinion, is my vanity. I get so many questions every single day about where this is from. It's from Impressions Vanity, along with the gray suede chair, which is actually from Impressions Vanity as well. This is from Z Gallerie. It's an Oslo throw. I just have all of my favorite non-makeup products sitting out. So skincare, lip care, lotion, tweezers, just stuff that I use on the daily. Then I have my favorite makeup brushes right here. That's why they're actually filthy. I'm disgusting. I have my cotton pads and Q-tips with my favorite candle from Bath & Body Works, which they discontinued, probably because they're homophobic. Next is the bathroom. Let's go. So my bathroom is really echoey just because I don't have any carpets right now, but this is definitely the most exciting thing in my bathroom. I got so many questions about this on Instagram when I posted the picture. I just bought so many bath bombs from Lush and filled it all the way up. This actually is from Home Goods. It makes like the best air freshener ever. It smells like a Lush store. And whenever I want a bath bomb, I have like 20 of each. And then I just have a shower, which I don't really care. I just have shampoo, you know, all that basic stuff. Okay, you guys, and that wraps up my room tour. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed my first like real YouTube video. Like I said, I'm gonna try to post once a week. That's actually so scary because I know that Shalia will not be able to come over every week. I'm gonna have to figure something out.
Yes, I will.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to me and go subscribe to Shalia. Hopefully she's putting up a video, either just did or is going to pretty soon when you're seeing this. I'm thinking about posting every Friday, making Fridays the magic day. Let me know what you think about that. If you think I should change it, let me know what day I should post every day. And thank you guys so much. I love you and bye.